T. Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Janesville, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted in Janesville, Beloit, Milton, Clinton, Sharon, Darien, Footsville, Richmond, Tiffany, Chaupier, Johnstown Center, Afton, Emerald Grove, Hanover, Avalon, and Allens Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe